everyone, good morning and good afternoon. We are group 6 and we will be tackling all about the maintenance department. So let us check the overview of our topic or our objective for today. So to be able to know what is maintenance department and its role, and to be able also to identify what is the importance of maintenance to hotel industry, and also we'll be able to distinguish those types of maintenance and to know the responsibilities of the maintenance department, and we'll get to know those maintenance department staffs and workers. Okay, so let us start with what is maintenance department. Okay, so the maintenance department is responsible and accountable for maintenance. So it's very self-explanatory, right? When we say maintenance, to keep something in a good condition, to keep something working. So it is responsible also for the way equipment runs and looks, and for the cost to achieve the required level of performance. Of course, so the department's main purpose is to perform scheduled maintenance of plant equipment that lessen the possibility equipment failing prior. So when we say maintenance, it's not just all about when the equipment breaks down or something already happens to the equipment or machine. So maintenance is to be able to maintain the working condition of the equipment, to avoid breaking of the equipment in the future. So dili ta magpaabot na maguba siya. So next is maintenance involves keeping buildings, equipment, and machinery in safe, efficient working order and in good repair. It includes maintaining sanitary facilities and regular painting and cleaning walls. So maintenance does not pertain only to those machines, equipments that we are using. So it also includes the sanitation of the facilities. And imagine the hotel or the building is already 10 years old, and of course painting will wear off, right? So it needs renovation from time to time, so it needs cleaning. So because the more years to come, so it actually will accumulate dirt in the surface, so that needs maintenance as well. So okay, so let us move on the maintenance role. So the role of maintenance department is to ensure that all facilities and equipment are maintained in good condition and are functioning smoothly, so as to reduce the risk of interruptions to the running of the hotel and restaurant premises. So they make sure that all the facilities are working good. For example, the swimming pool, the lobby, or the board games area, or any areas in the hotel. It needs to be maintained in a good condition, and that is one of the role of our maintenance, so that any risk can be prevented, right? So it will not interrupt the running of the business. So next, so what is the importance of maintenance in hotel industry? As we all know, we are in lodging, so we need to know what is the importance or the connection of this to our course or our program. So kanang lodging, kuan ra unta nganong magtackle pa man tag maintenance, right? So we should know the importance of that. So, having a regular preventative maintenance plan in place keeps hotel running smoothly, increases overall guest satisfaction, cuts down on large expenditures, and ultimately saves your staff time. Okay, so it will help the hotel keep a good image. So we will be able to provide a satisfactory service to our guest, right? So when the place don't have like damaged equipments, damaged machines, so if everything is clean and in order, of course the guest will be satisfied. So that is really important for the image of the property, right? So it is also important for general safety, cleanliness, and in many cases compliance with the brand standards. So what do you think the brand standards mean? So brand standards is actually a set of rules and guidelines that protect the look and feel of your organization. So it will provide a standardized approach and to creative work in order to uphold the integrity of the brand. So it actually is acts as a maximum or minimum level of product or service. So then there's actually products or service expectations within the eyes of the guest or the customer. So remember when we say there are 5-star hotels, 4-star hotels. So that is the brand's standard. So they should be able to maintain or keep the image of the hotel. Imagine you're in a 5-star hotel and then you see a lot of dirty equipments in place. Will you be satisfied as a guest? No, right? You're expecting too much because that is a 5-star hotel. So maintenance department will help um, maintain those things, right? So let us, okay, there's still last one. So the maintenance of the buildings and equipment may be the most important element of good housekeeping, right? So it mentions already housekeeping. So we can say housekeeping is part also of the maintenance department. So they help maintain the cleanliness of the building and the equipments in the area. Okay, next. Alright, so actually, so the next part are types of maintenance that the maintenance department perform before, during, or after the machine is damaged or is not working its responsibility anymore. So let me give you the 5 types of maintenance, but each one of that will be tackled by Leslie and Clark. So they will explain that further. But let me provide you first the 5 types of maintenance. So we have the predictive maintenance, preventive maintenance, condition-based maintenance, corrective maintenance, and predetermined maintenance. Okay, so alright, Leslie, you start.
Number 1. Predictive maintenance refers to a specific type of condition-based maintenance in which systems are constantly observed via sensor devices. It's generally considered to be the most advanced and intensive type of maintenance. It's because there is a lot of data to interact and the sensor devices themselves needs to be regularly maintained and checked. Kaning predictive maintenance, nag-reduce siya labor and material costs. Its purpose is to monitoring the asset or data consistently. Number 2. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is aimed at catching and fixing problems before they happen. the regular and routine maintenance of equipment and assets in order to keep them running and prevent any costly unplanned downtime from unexpected equipment failure. Example of preventive maintenance are cleaning, lubrication, replacing, or repairing parts. Pwede sad ang pag-ensure sa production line equipment if it's working efficiently or heating, ventilation, or air conditioning elements are inspected, cleaned, and updated. Number 3. Condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance is sometimes considered to be more advanced alternative to prevent maintenance machine and system are carefully observed for changes that could indicate upcoming failures. Condition-based maintenance is a maintenance strategy nga mao mag-monitor sa actual condition of an asset to decide what maintenance needs to be done. This type of maintenance or strategy ma-inform or ma-execute lang ni siya if naay makitang signs sa pag-ubos sa performance or failure. An example of this is monitoring pressure readings on equipment with water system. Sa pagmonitor sa pressure level sa tubig, mahibaw-an sa maintenance stop kung kanusa or asa ang leakage sa tubig likely to occur before it happens.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon. I'm INOCELLAS CLARK, and this time I'm going to report the about of maintenance department. First, corrective maintenance is initiated when a problem is discussed while working on another work order. With corrective maintenance, issues are just caught just in time. Is when during scheduled maintenance check or while fixing another issues, maintenance technicians notice that pipe and HVAC system is not working as it should. Maintenance technician notice that pipe and HVAC system is not working, and when the HVAC does not work properly, air conditioner won't blow cold air. For example, you may have a for trolley or forklift that is not inspected but breaks down. Fixing such an item is unplanned corrective maintenance. Other example include barred water pipes that need replacing quickly. However, unplanned maintenance can happen even when a maintenance plan is in place. Pre and next, predetermined maintenance is carried out using rules and suggestion created by the original manufacturer rather than the maintenance team. It doesn't guarantee that a system won't break down. System The program is based on statistics and not the actual state of the equipment. The discussion the, dis- the discussion or the making of the rules come from the original manufacturing instead of the maintenance team. They do not guarantee that an item will not break because for me everything will be destroyed because of repeated use. Example of predetermined maintenance is when machinery maintenance is scheduled at time intervals based on the manufacturer's recommendation. For example, another example, oil change will be every fourth month transmission. Service will occur at number of hours of run time.
So, what are the responsibilities of the maintenance department? So, there are five responsibilities of the maintenance department. So, first is make sure that machines are operating properly to prevent the machine from potentially breaking. So, one of the responsibilities sa maintenance department is to sila ang make sure, mo check sa mga machine, sa mga operating system nga sa mga makina aron makaprevent nga ang machine is posibleng maguba, mabuto, or madamage. So second is maximize the availability and the reliability of all operating system. So responsibilities nila is sila sad ang maximize sa availability o sa reliability o ang pagkatinuod na abilidad sa usa ka operating system or sa mga machines, makinas. Third is maintaining operating system machines or equipment to prevent safety issues and performance capability. So, from the word maintaining, so one of the responsibilities nila is sila ang maintain sa mga machines, maintain sila sa mga machines, sa mga equipment or other operating system na makapugong aron or makapugong sa issue, sa kaluwasan or aron makapugong sa sila sa kanang what else sa issue sa usa ka makina or issue sa usa ka operating system sa usa ka area. So next is work with a team to make sure production goals are met while also supporting the efforts of other departments. So para makuha nito para makuha nato ang goal sa usa ka sa production, so makuha nato ang atong goal sa maintenance or goal sa usa ka production, dapat mo-work mo as a team, aron ma-improve or na makahatag mo good services or good condition sa usa ka area or makahatag mo good condition sa mga area nga where is located. Then next is and while habang nagsuporta mo sa ubang nga departamento. So next is the last is provide efficient maintenance and repair services. So one of the responsibilities mahatag mo provide or mahatag sad sila efficient maintenance or repair services like offer sila mga air conditioner, repairs, air conditioner, ug moaya sila sa mga equipment nga naguba. Yes, and offer sila og mga services nga related sa maintenance. That's all. Thank you.
Let's proceed to the next topic, which is maintenance department staff, known as repair workers, fix and maintain mechanical equipment, buildings, and machines. It is also responsible for the operations and repair of all heating. So, kaning maintenance department staff, gitawag siya og mga trabahador nga mao ang mo-maintain ana nga mga different kind of staff. So, these are the examples of maintenance department staff, which is maintenance manager, plumber, housekeeping, technician, electrician, painter, and general maintenance. So, maintenance manager, siya ang mo-train or supervise sa mga employees or siya ang head, siya ang dako-dako. Is a plumber, a person who install and repair of the pipes, fittings of water supply. So, for example, sa hotel na ay naguba nga tubo. So kaning plumber, mao siya ang moayo, siya ang na-assign man ana, so siya dapat ang mukuan dili tong mga housekeeping kay lahi man na sila kanang trabaho, laylay silang mga assign maintenance is the housekeeping. The management of household affairs. So for example, kana nga hotel na ni check-in nga customer. So, inig-check out ana sa customer kay imo dayon ng sundon og limpyo para ang kato nga customer magsigig balik-balik tungod kay limpyo og kanang indot ang pagka-arrangement sa inyo sa hotel. Next is the technician, a person who employed to look after technical equipment. Next, electrician, a person who maintain electrical equipment. So, for example, na naguba line sa kuryente. So, mga electric wires na inakuan gikaon baron sa ilaga. So, kaning electrician, so siya ang mo trabaho or mo himo ani nga kanang para kanang mo-connect ang kuryente. So, iya tong ayuhon either supply baron. The last one is general maintenance. Repair workers fix and maintain machines, mechanical equipment, and building. So, general iyang trabaho ani. So, adto siya sa whole machines and mechanical equipment. So, dili ra siya mustay sa usa ka trabahoon kun dili whole tuyok-tuyok ni siya. Then ayang trabaho about machines and equipment ra jud or either sa buildings in the hotel.
Alright, so everyone, I think we still have time, so we will watch a quick video regarding maintenance and actually engineering in the hotel or in lodging. So please listen and watch the video, and I'm sure that you will learn a lot. Okay, I will play the video now.
The maintenance and engineering department of hotels requires crucial planning and strategizing. Often, management of the physical hotel facilities gets difficult, but this department makes it easy by managing the maintenance software. Hotel maintenance is done to keep up with various different systems that are used in the industry of hospitality. Their responsibility is to cater to the general building operations and requires a large breadth of expertise from hotel maintenance crews. Some of the major segments which need to be handled by this department are refrigeration, elevators, phone lines and personal computers, room furnishings, lighting fixtures. Let's discuss the places which require hotel maintenance management. Resorts are usually located at suburban locations and require unique maintenance needs. Due to their location, they have to supply their own electricity, waste disposal, and water. Also, they have to keep up with the additional features that they offer. Some of the extra features like special facilities are swimming, skiing and golf clubs. Casino hotels' primary function is to expand their business, and lodging is used as a secondary method of income. In addition, there are other maintenance areas that require attention, such as machines and food service areas. Service apartments are residential hotels that offer longer stay times. Their maintenance methodology resembles those of apartments rather than hotels. There are some specific duties of the maintenance and engineering department which we are going to discuss now. The maintenance of the structure of the building holds vital importance. Quite a few basic activities need to be undertaken to preserve its initial appearance and function. Some of the major segments that need to be taken care of are deterioration of building surfaces, protective treatments to retard corrosions, and repair of roofing leakages. The system's operation includes continuous attention for the effective operation of the buildings. Installed systems require repair and replacement when anything goes out of order. Not paying enough attention can lead to poor operational performance and degraded guest feedback. It also draws unnecessary attention and also creates managerial nightmares. The maintenance of guest rooms contributes to the overall experience in a positive or negative manner. The furnishings and fixtures are maintained by the department's staff or the contractor of supervision. The POM budget usually allows 2 to 3% to be spent on furniture and 3 to 4% on painting and decorating. The Maintenance and Engineering Department receives an approximate percentage of 11% of the total property budget. It is done because accurate budgeting and cost control is quite imperative. Also, it requires optimum care and analysis. Lastly, it is important to know about the staff in Maintenance and Engineering Department. The Maintenance Director is responsible for handling high-level planning and keeping up with the tasks of the hotel. They work along with the supervisor and hotel manager to create and manage policies that need to be put into action. The maintenance technician is responsible for varied forms of tasks and is also referred to as the jack of all trades. They schedule the maintenance processes and keep up the ground and exteriors of the building. The maintenance supervisor is responsible for maintaining the actions of the technicians. They analyze various metrics such as scheduling, safety, and regulatory compliance, and report them to the maintenance director. That is all about maintenance and engineering in hotels.
So, did you already learn about maintenance? So, when we say maintenance department, it is responsible to maintain good etiquette and the equipment runs and looks, and it also prevents unexpected machine breakdowns. So, there are different types of maintenance which Miss Leslie mentioned, which are preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, condition-based maintenance, corrective and predetermined maintenance. So these are important to the maintenance department to be able to maintain and assess equipment failures and maintaining safety usage. So operation and maintenance provides custodial maintenance, building environment control, and grounds and athletic field, while the operation service is the services or activities you perform to reach the business objectives, whereas maintenance is everything you do to keep equipment in running order. And other staffs or main member of the department has its own role, and each of them has different responsibility to do. So that's all. I hope you have learned something and understood each of the explanations about our topic, which is maintenance department. Thank you.